In this video, we're going to talk about a terrific feature called templates. This little icon right here. Templates help you visualize your project in context. That way, you can better design to scale. Let's try it with a shirt. Once I select my template, it appears on the canvas, but that doesn't mean it's part of the design that will get cut. When you think about templates, think temporary, for visualization purposes only. They don't even save with your project. To dial in some of the details, each template offers a few settings like type and size. When you make a change, the canvas updates automatically. Use templates as a guide to size and place your design elements. Need to make adjustments? From the Layers panel, select it and make your tweaks. You can even change the color by going up to the Edit toolbar and clicking on this swatch right here. Finally, you can hide or unhide a template by toggling this eye on and off. And that'll do it. We're sure you'll love templates as much as we do.